Hello and welcome to Old Tom and his big red chair. As you all know, I'm Old Tom and this is my big red comfy chair. Look, I've got an important message for you after the show, so I want you to keep watching, alright? But for now, let's go and see what's on Old Tom and his big red chair, and I'll be back soon.
Yes, hello, Old Tom. Listen, I've received the present you sent me. What did you send me this flower for? I said I wanted some flour. It's a nice flower. I didn't mean this kind of flour. No. I meant the flour we make cakes with. What do you mean I should have told you? I thought I wanted some flour. I got never mind. Anyway, thank you very much, Old Tom. It's a really, really nice flower. You want me to smell it? All right, I'll smell it. What are you laughing for? You put sneezing powder on it. Oh, you naughty Old Tom. Listen, hello, boy. The boys and girls here. I'm going to go. I'll see you. I'll speak to you later. All right, bye-bye. Bye, Old Tom. Oh, hello, boys and girls. That was Old Tom. He played a trick on me. He sent me a flower. I said, when you go to the shops, can you get me some flour? I didn't mean this kind of flour. He said this, and guess what he did? He put sneezing powder on. Oh, and I said that, and he made me sneeze. He's naughty Old Tom, isn't he? He's always playing tricks on me, and I'm always playing tricks on him too. Well, I'm going to put it on the floor down there in a moment. Oh, a kitchen wobble. Well, I don't think we're going to need that today, so I'll put that on my shelf down there. Now, boys and girls, the other day I was driving along in Old Tom's yellow car. He's a really nice car, it's got 4 wheels. And he's got a spare one in his, one goes funny. And he loves his yellow car. And everyone knows it's Old Tom's car. They all wave to him when he goes past. And they thought I was Old Tom. And they thought it was me, and they said, oh, it's just Old Tom. But they waved to me anyway. And I drove Old Tom's car over a bridge. And I'm thinking, how does the bridge hold the weight of all those cars? So I did a little experiment. These are books. I borrowed these books from a lady I know. Oh, she likes these books. Oh, she reads lots of this person's books. They're really, really good, she says. So I thought I'd build a bridge and see what happens. So we'll put some books there, and I've got some. Look at this, I've got some nice. Oh, let's make them a bit closer. We don't want to. Oh, that's it. Wow. So this is a big mountain. That's the river at the bottom there, and that's the bridge. Oh, turn it around that way. That's it. That's the bridge. And this is my car. Oh, little car. Oh, and that car's going over okay. What about a big car? What about a car as big as that battery? Should we try that? Over you go to that. Oh! I've just smashed all the car up. Oh, what happened? Let's try it again. Let's put those books a little bit closer, shall we? Oh, I think they were too far apart. That's the problem. Let's try it again. That's it, they're closer now. So, here's the car. He's going to grow over the bridge you go. Oh! I've smashed the car up again. Oh, naughty. Well, why do cars go over a bridge and the bridge doesn't fall in like that? I wonder why. I know. Let's move that out a little bit and put that down there, shall we, like that? And let's put another piece on top of it. Let's see what happens then. Oh, go on the bottom. That's it. Ah. Now, here we are. Now the car goes over. Oh, that fell in too. That's because that is the wrong way round. Now watch carefully. If we put it that way round, put it right down the bottom there. It has to be level with the top. And we put that on there. I wonder what'll happen now. Will that go right over? Oh, it almost did, because it didn't go in a straight line. There we are. Oh, well, it's a lot better, isn't it, boys and girls? See, that goes right over there now. And because if that was a bit stronger, let's try it too, shall we? See what happens if I put 2 on. And put another one there like that. And I'll have to hold it so I can roll the car. Roll it. Oh, it didn't give way. That's because That's holding it up. Now the river can still come underneath. Can you see my hand? That's the river. So, but there, I wonder if there's another way. I know what we'll do. What's this? I know. Let's fold the card up like this, that way. And see what happens, shall we? That way. And that way. And that way. Oh, we got a lot of fold on this. That way. And that way. And that way. And that way. Now, I wonder if the car can go across there without it falling. That's already falling in. That's already falling in, isn't it? So, if the car goes across there, what'll happen? It goes down anyway. Well, that isn't very good. I've got another idea. Let's try something else. Let's get this. Instead of folding it that way, let's fold it another way, shall we? Let's fold it that way, there. One there, like that. And then turn it over and go that way. And then we go this side. Wow, I wonder if this is going to be any better. Wow. We can go that way, like that. And we can go that way, like that. Wow. And should we try that? I wonder what'll happen now. Hey, let's try it. Oh, are you ready, car? You go, yes, I know you're going to get. I don't want you crashing anymore. All right, you're a naughty car, I don't want you crashing. So, let's see what happens there. Oh! Look at that. It doesn't even bend. That's because we've made the bridge stronger by folding it like that. You see, because that can't bend downwards, can it? It can bend upwards. If I put it that way, it'll bend upwards. Look at that, but not very good, but it still wouldn't collapse. So by bending them down, that's made it really, really strong, and a car can cross over that without it bending. It's like oh, it broke in the middle there. Let's put it right, let's put it straight. Wow, and let's try it. It's ripped on my side. That's probably why I'll hold that. No, look, it can go straight across, and that's because we folded it like that. So you see, if we're having a bridge, we just can't put a piece of paper on, we just can't put a road across because it'll collapse. We've got to give it some strength, either in the middle like that, or we've got to make the bridge a different design. So you see, that's strong, so that can't bend, it's really strong. And that's what, watch, ooh, yeah, lots of cars get over that. Oh, you can drop my little bottle of beer, look, it just bounces. Thank God. I'm going to bounce it all. So you see, when you're building bridges, you just can't build a flat piece. You've either got to have a support underneath, or you've got to make it strong on the top like that. Isn't that good? So now that's it. That is very, 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 very important. But it's cardboard. Now, what about if we want to stand? What are these books? Which is the thickest one? This is the thickest one. It's really thick, that one is, isn't it? Let's put those over there. What about if we want to stand this book up? I'll turn those around. There we go. Put them over there so they don't fall over. What about if we want to stand this book on some paper? Can we stand the book on some paper? Should we try it? Okay, let's try. I've got paper here. Look at this. Let's stand the book on the paper. Let's fold it in half, shall we? Let's see what happens. Oh, we'll fold it in half. Now, that should stand up on there. That should. Oh no! I wonder why. That's because the book's too heavy. Oh. So what can we do about that? I've got an idea. What's this, carefully? We cut down the middle. Good. Cut down the middle. That one? Oh, we cut down the middle of this one. I like this. I like it. Be careful when you cut it, you're a little. We don't want you to cut your fingers off, do we? No. So ask an adult to cut it for you. Alright? And now we'll need some sticky tape. I've got some sticky tape. Now watch carefully, then move that off here. We'll put that book back across there in a moment. Then we're going to roll them up like this. Roll. And we'll make a little circle. And we'll sticky tape them down. Sticky tape on you. There, stay there. Oh, sticky tape. Oh, stick it on there. Stick there. Some more sticky tape on the other side. Wow. So that's one. What's that? What is it? Now, we'll get the same cardboard. Look, oh, we roll. I like rolling cardboard. I can see you. We were twisting it in on there. And twisting it in on there. Wow. So that's 2. Wow. Roll. Let's make another one. 3. Oh, I'm free. Oh, I said that one day, I'm free. And little boy come and said, that's nothing, I'm 4. Free, one more, here we go. Whoa, what did you say? I can't quite hear you. Well, we'll have to do that one day, won't we? Oh, we'll have to make an ear trumpet one day. Oh, an ear trumpet. Can your ears play trumpets? Now we've got 4. Now remember, it's the same cardboard, but this time we've rolled them up. And we made 4 round ones like that. Look at that. Now, watch carefully, boys and girls. Whoa. Look at that. Isn't that good? Oh. I don't know where these books have been. They're all covered in dust. So we'll move that one a little bit now. Watch carefully. Oh, isn't that clever? Then should we try another one? I says, wow. Do you think it'll hold another one? The same cardboard. Let's try another one. Wow! Wow, it is lots of fun. You've got to be very careful. 4. Another one. 5. Do you think it's going to hold that one, boys and girls? Let's try it. 6. Wow. 6 great big heavy book on just 4 pieces. Those are 4 pieces of this thin cardboard. Isn't that clever? So what I want you to do, I want you to get some cardboard or even paper. Why don't you try it with ordinary paper first? And see if you can make the bridge, and then roll it up like that, and ordinary paper, and make 4 little stands, and see, because that's what some bridges are on, aren't they? You can see how really strong they are. So make 4 of them, and then balance some books. Try it with ordinary paper first. All right then. If not, little thin card like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed that experiment. I really enjoyed it. Oh, I'll be careful next time I drive old Tom's car over a bridge that looks like that. I don't want to go through it, he'll go bad, wouldn't he? I'll see you next time, boys. You'll have fun and try a wonderful experiment. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're back again. Wasn't that fantastic? I just love these shows. Now, boys and girls, a lot of you have asked me where I live. And I have told you before, but I live in Australia, in a place called Queensland. It's where I live, it's really nice and warm. And we do have some storms and it does get cold sometimes in winter. But most of the time it's lovely and warm, and the schools have got all these open playgrounds. And they're all covered in grass, so they can have lots of fun there. But boys and girls, it's time for me to carry on. Now don't forget, if you've got a birthday coming up, let me know. But all I want is your first name, the town you live in, the country you live in, your date of birth and how old you'll be on that day. Alright, because I want to keep you safe. And you can send it to oldtom@email.com. It'll be on the screen down here. Boys and girls, I'll see you next time on Old Tom and his big red chair. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.